Hey everybody, today we're going to answer the question, who patents things? Hi, I'm JD Houvener, patent attorney and owner and founder here at Bold Patents Law Firm. And I am also one that's been helping inventors for the past 10 years, over thousands of inventors, almost 400 patents issued as of today. Happy to impart my knowledge here and share with you some of the basics. So who patents things? Well, that question is a little bit vague. Let's start with the one that I'm thinking about, and that's inventors. Inventors like you. That's really any person out there, anyone out in the country, in fact, anyone in the world that wants to seek a United States patent can file and get one, all right? But you've got to do three major things. It has to be unique, non-obvious, and have utility, okay? Now, inventors, right, the purpose of them getting an invention is to make sure they can get a monopoly, make sure they can get a limited right to exclude anyone else in the whole country, or maybe the world, from making, using, or selling their invention. That's the huge benefit you get for patenting things. That's who is patenting. Now, maybe the question could be, who is giving out the patents? And the answer to that question is the United States Patent and Trademark Office. Kind of a mouthful, but it's the USPTO. And you can learn a lot about that government body by going to uspto.gov. They've got a ton of information out there now. They've gotten better and better. And they just released their new patent center, which has got a great education area where if you're new to the area of law, you're new as an inventor, or you may not even think of yourself as an inventor yet, you can go check it out and learn about what is going on. Am I even, does this qualify? And when you're ready to kind of get serious, I highly recommend that you get with a patent attorney to learn about your options and to see, okay, what am I really getting myself into? Am I wanting to play this entrepreneurial game, become like a shark on Shark Tank, start talking a big game, and really getting a better grasp on what you're getting into. If this is your first time starting up a company, or this idea you think could be really big, intellectual property, including patents, trademarks, copyrights, and trade secrets, really should be considered as you kind of head down this venture and put together a business plan. Even if it's something as simple as a one-page business plan, which I think I've seen on business plan canvas, or other simplified versions, you've got to be able to make your differentiator. No matter what your business plan is, if what you're doing in the market is the same, right, the status quo, if it's exactly what's been going on now in the market, your differentiation, your ability to reach consumers in a new way, or to steal, if you will, market share from competitors, is really limited if you're unable to provide that differentiation, something new, something else that you're doing that's different. And one way to do that is if that different, if that style, if that technology, if it's even the method or process or approach of getting to the end result, serving your customers through maybe a product or a service is unique, you should consider patent protection if the way you're serving it or the end product, someone else, one of your competitors, could figure out how you're doing things differently and could copy you. So if they could just simply reverse engineer what you're selling and do it on their own, you should seek patent protection for it. And the way you do that is by conducting a very thorough search, getting a legal opinion on whether you should file and how to file. There's a few different types of patents out there: a design, utility, plant, or even a provisional, an early stage application that will be right for you, depending on how far along you are in the development process and your budget as well. So that's who files patents. So anyway, I want to also encourage you, if you have time, to download below our link to the Bold Inventor Kit. This is your way to get a leg up over your other inventors, other entrepreneurs, and I'm doing a favor for you. So you're going to learn about what the patent process is, our ABC steps, as well as what your options are for patent searching, application drafting, as well as our patent success matrix on the last page. So take action today, download that Inventor's Guide, and we'll see you next time. I'm JD Houvener with Bold Patents. Good day to you. Go big, go bold.